To set up the new integration to ChatGPT for AIMS360, we're going to simply access the Plugins option. In the Plugins, you'll want to come over here and search for AIMS360. Once the integration appears, just click the plus sign. This is automatically going to prompt you to log in using our Runway Login. So you're going to need your 5-character account code as well as your registered email address within your AIMS360 system. This is your operator email, not a remote desktop email. So you'll go ahead and enter that information in. When you click on Go, it will ask you which company. If you only have your one company, only one name will appear. For those brands that have more than one company, the names will appear. Be sure you choose the correct company name. Then you'll enter in your login password, again, your operator login password to continue. Once you log in, you'll see that it'll tell you the AIMS360 plugin is installed. If you click back on the plugins page, you should see under the installed section the AIMS360 logo. Once you have the plugin set up, we also recommend that you use the latest version medium. So 5.6 Sol is currently the version that we're using for AIMS360. As that changes because there are new releases to ChatGPT, we'll always update that information in our knowledge base articles. So now that we have this updated, all we have to do is ask some kind of a unique question, such as, provide me a list of all open and hold orders in my system and group by customer, then due date. You can see that it's using the AIMS360 plugin directly to provide the information based on the connected AIMS360 database. And within moments, now you have a listing based on the prompt you provided to get all of the information related to whatever your question was from your AIMS360 system.